Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change hotspot name on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, a custom hotspot name make it easier to identify your network among other available networks. So, changing the hotspot name to something distinctive help users quickly locate and connect to your network, especially in crowded or public Wi-Fi environments. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, navigate to the settings menu on your device. So here, tap on the hotspot and connection option. Okay, after that click on personal hotspot and then select the hotspot settings option. Well, so here you can change the hotspot name on your device to your desired one. Once done, click the checkmark icon to save the changes. Okay, changing the hotspot name allows you to personalize and distinguish your hotspot network. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change hotspot name on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.